Hello, my Frugal Divas. It's Lisa Marie here. It is January 16th, 2018. This is the little 5-item haul I did at Dollar General using a 3 off 15 survey coupon. You can get this coupon by going to Dollar General and purchasing anything. It could be a pack of gum, whatever, and at the bottom of your receipt, you'll get this survey to fill out at this website, DG Customer First. You have to enter a code, and they'll email you a $3 when you spend $15. Now, please excuse me because I have a cough drop in my mouth. Yes, I still have a cough. But I originally went there because I needed dog food. And I have 2 little dogs. They barely weigh 20 pounds put together. So I just buy the little bags of food because it's more economical for me. And I knew there was a $3 digital coupon at Dollar General. So this at my store is $5.95. I've already opened it. Some stores have it for $5.75, so check your store. And there's a $3 off a digital coupon, making it $2.95. However, I knew if I added more products to it and used a 3 off 15, I could get it even cheaper. Now, how ironic is that? Add more products to this dog food and get it cheaper than $2.95. So this is what I did. I added the Centrum, okay, the $5 Centrum. There's a $4 digital coupon. The Crest 3D White, it is $3. There's a $2 digital coupon. And I added 2 packs of these Schick razors, okay? They're $3.50 a piece, okay? So that was $7 right there. However, in the 1-7 Smart Source, there was save $4 on any Schick disposable razor. So these actually gave me $1 overage, okay? So it helped, cover the cost of these guys. So my final cost for these 5 items, okay, there's the Crest, the Centrum, the Beneful, and the 2 Schick, was 95 cents plus tax of 84 cents for a total of $1.79. And I saved $20, okay? So yes, it was more beneficial for me to use a 3 off 15 and get more products instead of just going to Dollar General and using my $3 digital and paying $2.95 plus tax. That, my friends, is the power of couponing. So please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.